Dear seekers and friends, I welcome you again to this beautiful sharing regarding the greatness of our body. We have a beautiful body and faculties, as we have already explained. The great rishis of the Indian soil, in many ways, explain about the greatness of the body. The greatness of the body depends upon our own consciousness of our inner self. If the body perishes, the inner power, the soul power also will perish. We know it by the very nature. As we are living in this consumeristic society, we are much worried about our own needs, the needs of the body. But often we never think about the needs of the inner self. If the body perishes, the soul, the inner reality also will perish. So it is not possible to attain the pure consciousness, the pure knowledge. To attain the pure consciousness, the pure knowledge is the necessity of our human life. The consciousness of the inner reality is very important. For that only we have received this human body. By knowing the proper means of developing the body, we have to develop the inner reality. By knowing the proper means of carrying the body, that is very, very important. How we take care of the body. When we say to take care of the body, it is not only the physical body, but our humanness as such. How we take care of our own inner self, the inner faculties, the inner realities. They are the inner power. We have to understand them properly and help them to know. By knowing the proper means of taking care of the body, we have to take care of the inner self. The external body and the inner self should be gradually grow, gradually develop. Then only we can attain the pure consciousness, the pure knowledge about our reality, about our inner self. That is why whenever we say I am taking care of the body, it means not only our physical body, taking care of our whole reality, our attitudes, our perceptions, our way of thinking, and the necessary changes in all these inner realities are one or another way is connected with our human growth, with our physical growth. Another great saint says, in my early days I was thinking that the body is meaningless, useless. Now I am aware of the lasting reality, the divine reality within me. Now I am aware of the inner reality within me. That means a reality that is greater than the physical body is within me. That is the self-consciousness. As long as we are not able to realize this consciousness, we think and take the body as careless. Even though we take care of the body and do whatever is needed for its maintenance, may not be related with our inner self. But if you are able to really aware of the inner self, within the body, then our attitude towards life is changed. Being conscious of the indwelling reality within the body, I take care of the body diligently. Being conscious of the inner supreme reality within my body, within myself, I take care of the body diligently. I have to take care of my life diligently, with all the meaningful, with all the necessities, with all the cares. Diligent taking care is a balanced attitude towards myself. Physical, psychological, intellectual, spiritual, and all the faculties are taken care so that I really understand myself. I take care of my whole reality. It is not only the development or the growth of the body, the external body, it is a growth of my whole personality. It includes how we grow in our intelligence, in our knowing, in our attitudes, in our relationships, in our perceptions, in our communion with other created realities. All these are, one or another way, is taking care of the body diligently, with all the care, with all concern. So, as human person, I have to take care of myself with a mature value, with a mature attitude, with a mature goal of life. Not limited to the external body and taking care of its needs, but my needs are different. I should be a healthy man. I should be a man to attain the fullness of life. For that, I have to use the physical faculties and to maintain them and help them, so that as I take care of my physical body, I am growing as a full person in all the faculties of my personality. That is the real spiritual growth. This is the wisdom and knowledge of our ancient times. Our sages used to say, I have to take care of my whole self. For that, I should not die. All of a sudden, I should grow. I should live till I attain the fullness of life. If I am not able to attain that, my life is not fulfilled. The goal of my life is not fulfilled. Therefore, we have to take care of the body. If the body perishes, the soul also will perish. So it is not possible to attain the fullness of life. Thus, by knowing the proper means of taking care of the body, we have to develop the body to attain the fullness of life. In my early days, I was thinking that the body is meaningless. Now I am aware that the indwelling reality within me, being conscious of the indwelling inner reality in the body, I take care of the body diligently with all concern and care. That should be our attitude to face the realities of our life. Thank you. O Supreme Graceful Light, justice, love, and peace be in all beings. Be well, be well, be well. Thank you very much.